Which reverse osmosis water filtration system is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're breaking down 5 options that could change the way you drink water.
Product number 1, iSpring RCCC7AK. The iSpring RCCC7AK caught my attention with its impressive 6-stage filtration system and its unique top-mounted faucet design. Priced competitively, it promises high-quality water with a balanced pH. If you want mineral-rich, clean water, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This system effectively reduces TDS levels by 93 to 98% and filters out over 1,000 contaminants, including lead and fluoride. The transparent first-stage filter housing is a game changer, allowing you to monitor filter status easily. With over 4,000 units sold last month, it's clear that many people trust the system for their drinking water needs. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you're somewhat handy, the detailed manual and instructional videos can guide you through. If you're not comfortable with DIY projects, a professional might be needed, which adds to the cost. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable under-sink system that guarantees tasty water. Skip this one if you're looking for a countertop model or if you're not into installation. Now, if the DIY aspect of the RCCC7AK bothers you, this next product takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Drio Countertop RO System. The Drio Reverse Osmosis Water Filter. This countertop model caught my eye with its sleek design and installation-free setup. At $169.99, it offers lots of convenience. If you want pure water without the installation hassle, this one's worth considering. What sets the Drio apart is its real-time TDS monitoring and the unique autofill pitcher. It removes up to 99.99% of contaminants and has a 3-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, which is pretty eco-conscious. The self-cleaning feature means you won't have to constantly worry about maintenance. This system is a solid choice for anyone who values efficiency without the clutter of a traditional setup. However, some users mention that the 3-liter capacity might not be enough for larger families. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for personal use, especially for a couple, this will do just fine. This is perfect for you if you have limited counter space but still want clean water. Skip this one if you need a high-capacity system or if you have a big family that drinks a lot of water. Plus, it's quite affordable considering the features. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger households.
Product number 3, iSpring RCC7. The iSpring RCC7 is another fantastic choice, especially for those who need a high-capacity under-sink solution. With a price tag of $219.96, it boasts a 5-stage filtration system. If you want a reliable system that delivers crisp, clean water, this deserves your attention. The RCC7 removes up to 99% of over 1,000 harmful contaminants, ensuring you get safe drinking water. It operates at 75 gallons per day, which is great for families. The transparent first-stage filter housing allows you to easily check the filtration condition. Plus, it's NSF certified, which means you can trust its performance. Now, some users have mentioned that the lack of a power source can be inconvenient. Here's the thing though, this means lower energy costs and a simpler installation, which is a plus for many. This is perfect for you if you want a high-capacity system without the fuss of electric components. Skip this one if you specifically want a countertop model, or if you're looking for something with smart tech features. If you want something a bit more stylish, the next product is definitely one to check out.
Product number 4, iSpring RSpring CC7AK BLK. The iSpring RSpring CC7AK BLK adds a touch of elegance with its sleek black faucet and enhanced 6-stage filtration. Priced at $249.99, it not only looks good, but also delivers superior water quality. If you're after a system that combines style with functionality, this might be the one for you. The alkaline filtration is a standout feature. It restores natural minerals and provides better tasting water compared to standard systems. It effectively removes contaminants like lead and fluoride, ensuring peace of mind for you and your family. Plus, the DIY installation means you can set it up easily without calling in a plumber. However, some might find the price a bit steep compared to simpler models. Here's the thing, The added features and stylish design make it worth the investment if you're looking for long-term quality. This is perfect for you if you want a chic, functional water system in your kitchen. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or just need something basic. Now, if you need a reliable system but don't need the extra features, our final product might be just what you're looking for.
Product number 5, APEC Water ROES 50X. We have the APEC Water ROES 50X, which is perfect for those who want a straightforward under-sink solution. At $212.68, it offers excellent filtration with a 5-stage process. If you want reliable water without the bells and whistles, this could be your best bet. The ROES 50X removes up to 99.99% of impurities, including heavy metals and microplastics, making it a safe choice for your home. It has a high capacity of 50 gallons per day, which is sufficient for daily family needs. Plus, the installation is designed to be user-friendly, so you can set it up quickly. Some users pointed out that the system might take up a bit more space under the sink. Here's the thing, if you have room for it, the quality and reliability it offers make it worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, no-nonsense filtration system. Skip this one if you're after a compact design or something with advanced features.
To wrap it up, we have the iSpring RCC7AK for its mineral boost, the Drio for its convenience, the iSpring RCC7 for its high capacity, the stylish iSpring RCC7AK-Black, and the reliable APEC ROES 50X. Each of these systems offers something unique, so consider your specific needs before making a decision. You can't go wrong with any of them.